All right, another day, another ride in LA. Riding with the big boys again today. A little stunt sesh. Should be fun. Stay tuned. There's a ride out today. Alright, we out here at C-Spot. Those people on the highway actually showed up, so I'm gonna say hi to them real quick. Yo, who did I see on the highway? Was that you guys? Dude.
He was over there videotaping. Yeah.
we out C-Spot Sunday. Absolutely crazy. It's one thing on camera, it's another thing in real life.
You see, I know you see them. This brand new ass Super. Oh, look, look, look. Yeah, they better get
That's exactly, just exactly like that, and smash the throttle, but hit the brake. Yeah! Go a little slower when you start. Yeah, start a little slower. Yeah! Yeah! Let's see it, bro. One good pop. Ah.
Gotta know they made little discs with bikes too. Here, tell me what's up. I need to watch you more so I can put in circles in it.
Put in, yeah. Just like tiny little circles. Alright. Putting some work. Putting some work on the Surron. Show me what you got, bro. Oh, slow down. Papa. This guy's really one of the killers out here. You want to try it? It's stupid easy. Your throttle and then your brakes. That's all you. No gears, no foot brake. That's all you, baby.
How much are one of these right here?
Marco! Güey, a tu lado, güey, I'll run you over.
that bike down over there. Shit.
Bike's over there.
It's chilling right there?
I left that key inside.
Perfect, thank you. Feels like a toy, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Compared to these. It's still fun though.
Electric?
Yes sir, it plugs into the wall like your phone.
That's for like somebody to learn, you know?
Exactly. Yeah. Yo, take it for a spin. What are you talking about? It's like a toy.
Yeah, man.
You scared?
I got a little 140cc little pit bike too. I take that for. I just gotta get a street bike.
Yeah, get some supermotos on there. Do a little
How you
wheelie.
started?
It's you literally just turn the
How long
key.
does the battery last usually?
Yeah.
How you started?
You just turn the
How
key.
many hours?
3 hours.
That's not bad. It's weird, huh?
It is
Front
weird.
brake and the rear brake, right?
Yeah.
And then the throttle.
Yeah. It's just nice because it's like having a pit bike, but it's quiet, so you can ride around the neighborhood. You don't piss everyone off. My man on the Z! Yeah! Yeah! My man coming out hot. Alright, I'm gonna see how long I can do the one hand. Ha ha ha. All right, new trick. Learn this from the big boys. No, for real, it's just the throttle, and your handbrakes are on both sides. No clutch or anything.
I haven't rode it yet.
It's all you. You're.
Oh, this that's a ski, huh?
Hell yeah.
You be fucking sick. That's what I just shit, bro.
Dude, thank you. I appreciate that a lot.
Yes, you get down, bro.
Hell
How much is a setup like this? Like,
I'm kind of scared, dude.
It's all you, bro. My man off. Yes, sir. What'd you think, bro? It's the future. I want to see you try to wheelie. No. Come on, bro. You got the handbrake right there.
Hell no.
Hell yeah, bro. You can feel free to take it for a couple spins.
Nah, what is it,
Yeah, bro. His bike caught on fire. He was putting in too much work. Shout out to my man. That was a really fun day. I thought it was really cool that the group of bikers I was riding with on the way there ended up going to the same spot. And they were all super cool. And I learned a couple new tricks, made a couple friends. Definitely excited about this whole stunt bike scene in LA. Definitely grateful to have been shown it, and everyone's just so nice and welcoming. They all accept the Surron for what it is. A lot of good questions about the bike, and I don't know, this is what I love about the bike life. It's like, it doesn't really matter how loud your bike is or how fast it is. At the end of the day, we're all sort of doing the same thing, so it's just like one big massive vibe. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah,